Hello, this is Rob Blesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to hook up a 9 gig hot swap SCSI drive to a NeXT Turbo Cube dimension system. And basically what you'll need is a SCSI 50-pin cable and a terminator for the end of the cable. You'll also need an adapter, and the adapter goes from the 80-pin SCSI to 50-pin, and it snaps in place on the end of the drive. And you plug that into the NeXT motherboard. And then I'm also going to show you how to hook up the dimension system to use Dell flat panel monitors instead of the original NeXT monitors with some custom cables we have. The first cable is a DB19 cable, and you put the center of it on the mono motherboard. Then one DB19 connection goes to a NeXT sound box, and you plug the NeXT keyboard into the sound box. And the other end plugs into the VGA port on your NeXT Dell 19 or 20-inch monitor, non-wide. They work great. And I like these because they rotate 90 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate them back. We've shown the hookup. And power on. And then for the dimension system, it's got a 13W3 connector, and then we've got our little custom VGA to 13W3 cable that plugs into the end of the dimension cable. And then the dimension cable plugs into the dimension board back here. So we're all set to go. Everything looks hooked up. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this monitor and power it up, and then we'll adjust it. And then we just press the power button on the keyboard, and this should power up the Turbo Cube. Now initially what you'll see is you have the dimension board over here, which is in color, and then the NeXT motherboard, which is in mono. And you can go through and do like auto adjust, and it'll take the gap out of the right side of the screen and the left side of the screen. Sometimes it'll do it on its own. And it should power up here in a second. We should hear the drive spin up. And I'm going to go ahead and start a second movie.